Hello folks, it's official, Samsung's new Galaxy A54 5G is shaping up to be a stellar mid-range phone for many reasons. From the 4-year Android OS upgrade policy to new and unexpected improvements to mobile photography, audio and display. The Galaxy A54 design and build quality are also surprised, although we knew from leaked renders that the Galaxy A54 looks similar to the Galaxy S23 flagship phone thanks to individual camera cutouts, flat panels and a slightly curved frame. The leaks didn't tell the entire story, and instead of a rather boring release, we got one of the most intriguing mid-range Galaxy A phone in recent memory because it seemed to be more than yearly rehashes with improved hardware. It approached the budget-conscious segment from a new angle, while borrowing a few key features and ideas from much more expensive phones. It turns out that the Galaxy A54 now has Gorilla Glass 5 at front and back. While previous Galaxy A50 models has Gorilla Glass display protection, they used plastic back panels to save costs. Recently, Samsung released flagships with a plastic back cover, and today the Galaxy A54 gets glass on the back, which should make it more pleasant to the touch and give it a more exquisite feel that usually comes with a considerably higher price tag. In case you are wondering, the Galaxy A34 5G, also announced officially, doesn't have this feature and retains a plastic back. The Galaxy A54 is a bit more unique in this regard and is now the cheapest ticket to a genuine glass sandwich design. And no matter what they say, the glass on the back gives the smartphone a completely different philosophy. The result is a phone that instantly feels premium out of the box. The individual camera rings have silver edges to bring the design in line with Samsung's 2023 flagships, but it's certainly not all surprises. The Galaxy A54 feels more new-gen than previous models. Take Vision Booster technology for example. Unveiled last year for the Galaxy S22 flagship series and carried onward by the Galaxy S23, Vision Booster is now available to budget smartphone buyers thanks to the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54. And not only are the new displays brighter and more color accurate, but they are also friendlier to eyesight thanks to a considerable reduction in harmful blue light. According to South Korean firm, its new phone screen can reach up to 1000 nits of peak brightness. It has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ certification and SGR certification for blue emission reduction. Moreover, Samsung has improved the stereo speakers with the Galaxy A54 5G. The speakers are claimed to offer deeper bass and louder volume. Combine that with a microSD card slot for storage expansion, and the phone can be an excellent multimedia playback device. Another exciting thing about the Galaxy A54 5G is its Exynos 1380 chipset. It is a lot more powerful than the Exynos 1280 chipset that's used in the Galaxy A53 5G. Thanks to the 5nm chipset's 4 high-performance CPU cores and a beefier GPU, the Galaxy A54 5G is 20% faster in CPU tasks and 26% faster in gaming than the Galaxy A53 5G. Its performance is similar to the Galaxy A52's 5G Snapdragon 778G processor, which has been proven quite good for playing heavy games. Furthermore, and for the first time in the history of the Galaxy A series, these new 2023 models borrow more advanced camera AI and post-processing capabilities from premium phones and allow users to remove unwanted shadows and reflections from their photos. The Galaxy A54's primary camera has been improved. It uses a 50-megapixel sensor with bigger pixels, 1 micrometer, improved optical image stabilization and all-pixel autofocus, so the phone can focus faster, capture sharper and brighter images, and record smoother videos in challenging lighting conditions. It can record 4K 30fps videos using front and rear cameras. Samsung claims that the new optical image stabilization system can compensate for shakes and vibrations 50% better, 1.5 degrees versus Galaxy A53's 0.95 degrees. It is also 4x more reactive than the Galaxy A53. The all-pixel autofocus system uses 100% of the camera's pixels for autofocus, which means faster and more reliable focusing. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A54 5G with Wi-Fi 6, which means high-resolution video streaming on Disney+, Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube will be better. Playing online games will be better too, provided you have a fast internet connection with Wi-Fi 6 router. The phone's other connectivity features include GPS, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and a USB 2.0 3.0 Type-C port. The Galaxy A54 5G is priced at €490 for the 128GB version and €550 for the 256GB version in Euro. The phone goes on pre-order later this month and launches in early April 2023. It will be available in 6 or 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage or 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage variants. Luckily for all of your digital hoarders, the two phones comes with a microSD card slot and you can expand their storage space all the way up to 1TB. Sure, this phone also benefits from the usual hardware upgrades anyone expects year after year, but beyond that, it seemingly adheres to a new Samsung philosophy for mobile phones, wherein features and quality of life improvements are more important than on paper numbers. Samsung applied this strategy to the Galaxy S23 series, and as a result, the company created 3 of the best high-end phones in years. I didn't expect this philosophy to extend to cheaper Galaxy A phones in 2023, yet it did. And because of this paradigm shift, I think the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 are 2 of the most intriguing Galaxy A devices in recent memory. They might represent a historic turning point in Samsung's mid-range lineup, signaling a new approach to low-cost smartphone development that borrows more from high-end phones. And that's really great. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.